What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Hey. What's happening, guys? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome, guys, to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today, we're going to do a really quick unboxing, guys, of BoxyCharm Premium. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome, guys. First things first, I want to say thank you guys so much for all of the birthday wishes. I had a blast in LA. We went to LA, Santa Monica, Venice Beach, and somewhere else. I had an amazing time. I really did. Please don't think that I'm ignoring your comments. I will definitely try to have everything answered before Tuesday. We're going to talk more about my trip in a later video, but I wanted to bring this premium box to you guys because I took a poll and you guys said, yeah, boo, we want to see the premium first. So that's what I'm giving you. I do not have a drink today, guys, because I'm dehydrated. So no drink for TonyaNicole, but y'all can take a dance break and a drink break. I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from Friday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Let's get the specs on premium and unbox it. I have not opened it yet, so I'm not even sure of what we got. This one, guys, is the $35 per month subscription from BoxyCharm. You're supposed to get 6 to 7 full-size products each month. We normally just get 6, and it's supposed to have a value of at least $175. They do allow you to customize one product in this box, and the link will be down below if you guys want to subscribe. Please ignore the nails, y'all. I lost like 3 in the airport, and I haven't had time to glue them back on. So, yeah. Without further ado, guys, let's get this box on and popping, boo. We got our little box cutter. Let's cut her open. And I wish I had a weight. I don't, though. So, I don't know what it's going to be weighing, guys. All right, when we open her up, we get our lovely blue inside that says BoxyCharm Premium. And we do get a card this month, and the theme is Boxy Harvest. And I have box number, I'll tell you at the end. Okay, guys, so let's pull out items and see what we have. I have something right here on top, and it appears to be a palette. And this is from Pure Cosmetics, guys. It is the 4-in-1 self-perfecting powders. This is a face palette, and I got the shade Dark Deep. I don't want to blind you guys, so I'm going to hold it back. Let's open it up and see what it looked like, if it's really dark deep for your girl. So when we take it out the box, guys, this is what we're looking like, and it has dark deep right there on the front. And in this palette, we get a translucent powder, a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter. So let's see. Oh, okay. And girl, we got a mirror. Hey, boo. And let's, ooh, now, okay, y'all, okay, BoxyCharm, y'all, this is the palette right here. This is definitely a dark, deep palette. This bronzer may be a little bit too deep for your girl, but we could also use it as an eyeshadow, or I could use a light hand when I'm doing it as a bronzer. These colors are gorgeous. This one right here is the translucent powder. This is the blush, the bronzer, and the highlighter. So let's swatch them. These are gorgeous. Ooh, and they feel really, really nice. Oh, that's what they look like on the fingers. I don't remember seeing this one as like a spoiler. And these are the 4 colors right here, my loves. I love this blush shade because it is like more of like a burnt orange. And the bronzer actually is not as deep as I thought. I could actually build that up and use it. I could use all 4 of these shades. All right, BoxyCharm, boo. Ah, that is a beautiful palette. I love it. Let's see what this little baby retails for. And this is the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powder. It is a face palette, and it retails for $32, and this is a new launch from Pure Cosmetics, guys. So I am excited to see this in our BoxyCharm. We get a new launch. Okay, so far they are starting off pretty good. Next products, guys, we have from Grown Alchemist. And this is a detox night cream. And I think everyone received this product here. You get 1.35 ounces of product in here. And let me read up on the card what this is exactly. So this is a detox night cream. This advanced detoxifying night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides, some word I can't pronounce, y'all know I'm gonna put it right there, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids. They detox and regenerate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in radiant and youthful looking skin. Girl, wait! This retails for $125. Oh my God. Let me see what this looked like. Girl, $125? Oh, okay. This is the tube right here. Nothing too fancy, y'all. Let's see if it has a seal. It does. I am going to save this for a later date because I am going through some night creams right now. But for $125, I am definitely interested in seeing what this is about. Let me know if you've heard of this product or brand before. If you used it, let me know in the comments, guys. $125. Girl. And then we have, guys, from RealHer. This is a lip liner duo. That's what the packaging is looking like right there. Let's open her up. Alrighty, so, oh, we get 2 pencils. I do love that. And on here it says, I am confident. And the other one says, be yourself. And this is from RealHer. I have received products from them before. I don't think it was a lip liner. I think it's been palettes, if I'm not mistaken. This first color, let me put this down. This is the lip liner, guys, and this is in the shade. It does not say, but this is what it looks like. This is the lip liner. I'm gonna swatch it over here so that we can see. Oh, it's pretty. Now, I will say this, BoxyCharm, I got on y'all very bad last month for not having fall colored products or fall themed products, but I must say that it is a little bit pink. It's reading pink, but I think that I could probably use this, like mix it in with one of my deeper shades to make it pop a little bit. And let's see what the other one is. So this is the second one, and this is the shade right there, which is definitely more of what I like. And it is a mechanical pencil, guys. It rolls up and down, so you don't need to sharpen them. And let's swatch the, ooh. Oh, that one is gorgeous. Oh, that red is a good old hooker red. And they both feel really, really creamy. Oh, okay. All right, y'all. Now, a premium has been hit or miss, but so far, they are hitting pretty good. So these guys are the RealHer Lip Liner Duo, and these retails for $25, and the colors are giving me fall vibes. They're very creamy, and I'm very excited to test these out. Okay. And then we have, guys, from Dose of Colors, and what is this? This is in the shade I Need Space. And this is a Block Party single eyeshadow. All right, let's see what it looked like. What does I Need Space look like? All right, when we take it out the box, that is what we are looking like right there, loves. And let's, ooh, and girl, we got a mirror. It's a baby one, but we still got a mirror. Hey, boo. This is the shade. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at that pigment. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Let me swatch it. Oh, I'm definitely going to wear this in my Freaky Friday video. Oh, and it has a little bit of shimmer in it. Oh my goodness, I love it. It is gorgeous. It goes on so nice and pigmented. Okay. Now, do I think that this is a filler item as well as these two? I do indeed. But These are really good filler items. I do like these. So this, guys, is the Dose of Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow, and this one retails for $20. All right, next up is another product that I think everyone received, and it is these COSMEDEX brushes right here. And we're gonna take them out. These are their skin care brushes, and y'all know I do love a good brush. I don't know if I've heard of this brand before. I think maybe we received this in a past box, but I'm not sure. But here is the first brush right here. This looks like one that you would use to apply your skin mask. And this one right here, ooh, that is nice and densely packed. Look at that. It's beautiful, guys. Very nice. And I do like that they have like little waves in the brush. I do like these. Alrighty. Let's see what it says about this. These are new launch in BoxyCharm as well. Okay. This brush right here, guys, is for exfoliation and a deep effective cleansing of your pores. And this one would be your skin mask or serum spatula here. And like I said, this is a new launch in BoxyCharm from COSMEDEX, and these retail for $25 for the two. I do like using spatulas to apply my mask, and I'm very interested in seeing how this brush will cleanse out my pores. So okay, 25 bucks. And the last product I received is my choice product, and it is none other than the Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Powder right here. So they had either the Illamosk palette or this setting powder, and I've never tried a setting powder from Smashbox before, so I did want to use that and give it a try. The palette looked like a lot of palettes that I had, so I really wasn't too interested in that. This is what the container is looking like, and I do have the shade 02. And what's the cool thing about this is it's like a camera lens, if you guys can see it, where you can turn it, but when you open it up, oh, girl, we got another mirror. Hey, boo. So the claims here is it's going to set your makeup, it's going to mattify, shine, and blur the skin with a sweep of fine, fresh powder. You twist the built-in powder riser to grind pressed powder into a light diffusing micro powder. It creates just enough for a smooth, even layer, giving you a fresh, beautiful finish with less mess. So, okay, cool. So what you would do is you would turn this little dial here, and it's gonna grind up the powder and make it come to the top right there. That way you won't waste a lot of product. So I am definitely looking forward to using this. So this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder, and this retails for $39, guys. Okay, loves, that was our final product in this month's Boxy Premium. And let's do a little quick recap. We're gonna do final thoughts and we're gonna be done. So we received from Smashbox this setting powder here, from COSMEDEX these two skincare brushes, from RealHer this dual lip liner, from Dose of Color this single eyeshadow, from Grown Alchemist this detox night cream, and last but not least, from Pure Cosmetics this face palette in dark deep. These 6 products here, and I will put the grand total somewhere on the screen. I do, guys, have variation number 2. Final thoughts on this premium box is I am quite pleased. Now, y'all know I have not been pleased with premium for the last few months, but I must say this month I am really pleased, especially with this palette. The colors are gorgeous. They're appropriate for my skin tone and for the season. I'm really excited to use this Smashbox powder. Also, even though, like I said before, I think it's a filler product, this Dose of Color eyeshadow is gorgeous, and I'm definitely looking forward to using that, as well as these 2 lip liners. So we got 4 makeup products out of the 6, and the other 2 products, these 2 little skincare brushes and this Alchemist everything. I will get some use out of that. But as far as the makeup products, and we get 2 new launches, I am quite pleased. Can y'all believe that? I know, I can't either. Let me know in the comments down below what variation you got, if you were pleased with it or not. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to last month's box. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna give BoxyCharm Premium a whopping 4. I really enjoyed this box, guys, and I am really happy at the fact that I got 4 makeup products out of the 6 and products that I actually can use on my skin tone. Don't forget, guys, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. I love chit-chatting with you guys. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Those links are down below. And that's all that I have, my loves. I will see you guys on Wednesday and in the comments. I love you guys so much. Thanks again for all of the birthday wishes. Bye, my loves.